Yeah, Amrit,
Okay.
continue.
So I just raise my hands to give my explanation of a Demat account.
Sure.
Uh, yeah. So, oh, okay. So I believe it's a short form of a dematerialized account,
Great,
where you can store your certificates or proof of owning stock shares.
great, great. Yeah, precisely
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Anyone?
Thank
Uh,
you.
also, also, sir, this is used to buy and sell the shares.
Yeah, who's this? Anjali?
And yeah,
Great, great. Yeah, that's true. So as like Amrit had added one more thing, that is a dematerialized account. So होता क्या था long back time in 90s, you if you had been watching of Scam 1992, you'd be seeing in the first instant कि जहाँ पर एक बड़ा सा hall होता था, many people used to accumulate and on paper pen they were used to trade and buy and sell of shares. तो उसके वजह से there was lot many amount of frauds ठीक है. You can also see कि that's the reason वहाँ उस time पे register and all में records बनाए रखते थे. So after the scam 1992, in that year itself, SEBI came into picture. So what is the long form of SEBI? SEBI? Any one of you? This is a very basic session. I hope Shekhar sir ने भी cover किया होगा. मैं ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ. जैसे
Security
नॉर्मल.
Exchange Board of
Yeah, yeah. Security Exchange Board of.
Security.
question is
India.
ऐसे क्या? इंडिया. कंट्री का नाम तो बोलो. इंडिया में है, right? Right. So SEBI. So it's like nothing but the security guard of the stock exchanges. Okay. And as you know, the two topmost stock exchanges in India is NSE and BSE. Tell me which one is the oldest stock exchange in Asia?
BSc Bombay State Stock
BSE,
Exchange.
Bombay
BSc.
Stock Exchange. Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. Okay. So this was all about. So when SEBI came into picture, the systems needs to be particularly with highly secured and encrypted codes so that there won't be any frauds. Second thing was like there should be no loopholes in the system ताकि कोई भी बड़ा broker or any foreigner domestic investors can't do any kind of fraud. That's the reason Demat account came into picture. And you know, world has turned to 21st century, 2000 era started, and after that, due to technology, everything but became dematerialized. So demat account is nothing but a kind of simple kind of your bank account जहाँ पर बैंक में cash store करते हो, demat account में share store करते हो. The most simplest definition, okay? So everything is virtual, yeah, but the money is real. The investment money is definitely real, and when you are aspiring for any big fours or big four or any topmost company, you won't be playing with any virtual cash. So I believe virtual trading and all, it's good for learning, but when you would play with real cash, you should be at most careful because cash is something which is a hard earned money. So you should know how to utilize it, invest it wisely, and you should definitely know that if you're even handling of a client, so client आपके responsibility पे आपके trust के ऊपर they would come to your particular firm or your particular any organization which you're working with. So your first assignment would deal with this particular thing. It's nothing but you need to be a watcher. Okay? You need to watch up the market and it would be into market research and analysis. अब ये कैसे होगा इसके बारे में बताओ. I had introduced about the Demat account. If any one of you don't have, don't worry, we will help you. We are having tab with topmost broking firm, so we provide you the total access totally free of cost. Again, you need not need to invest any money or anything. Everything will be virtual because it's for the sake of internship training. So this first internship, let me share up my screen and let you know that how we can start with this particular thing. Then you can definitely ask me with your doubts, okay? So here is the screen in front of you all. Can anyone just type a yes in the chat box? I would come to me that screen is visible. Please help me with a yes. Okay, great. That's great. Yeah. So you can see Finophilia task one. So this is nothing but a simple Excel format we created for you. You can just write down the end date when you're submitting. Let me remind you once again, this is an assignment which will be based on your evaluation for the internship purpose. Let me also remind you that two of you would be selected for the grand year of LOR. So keep that thing in mind and try to give your best. Okay? We don't demand any time, we don't demand any commitment or all things. So definitely be punctual to whatever time you're investing in this internship. Okay. So this is a basic task of your first internship assignment. You can just have a look through it. What you need to do, okay? First of all, you need to fill up your name and date. Secondly, you can see I had created an Excel format for you, which includes company, date on which bought, price per share, number of shares I'm buying or selling, and total amount invested. Okay, some bifurcations are meant here. what you need to do here, first of all, just a demat account का है, it would be provided within 1 or 2 days, or maybe by tonight only. It would be activated in a day, and the day when it gets activated, you need to start hitting on that particular date. So add at least 2 stocks each day for week one. Now, how to add stocks? Many people have the same question. So adding stocks is not a it's not a rocket science. It's simply like you can just go around, wander around your world, and you can see whatever day-to-day commodities which you use, whatever day-to-day services which you use. That is nothing but a company which provides that particular services and commodities, and that company, majority of that company is listed in exchanges. Okay, I won't go in the very minute basic part that NSE or Nifty 50 and that indexes can. I hope you know that thing. We need to enhance our technical and practical knowledge, so we would be dealing on the major part. Okay, so मोटा मोटी चीजें उसके ऊपर हम ज्यादा डिस्कस करेंगे. So this is a basic task. Every day you need to at least fetch up the two different stocks from the market. Maybe day to day if you're using a toothpaste of Colgate, Colgate is a listed company. If you're using footwear of Bata, Bata is a listed company. If you're using any credit card, debit card, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, XYZ companies are there into market. Okay, Hindustan Unilever products and also any two stocks you can pick out. And even in upcoming sessions, I believe Shekhar sir would be telling you how you can use the screeners, how you can shortlist the stocks with the help of ticker tape screeners, or how if you're having a particular choice domain. Just say if you know about my background, I'm an engineer, I'm not a finance person. Okay, so my and I'm a chemical engineer. So majority of my stocks dealing is into the chemical companies, PSC companies like Navin, ONGCs, etc. So that is a sector. So whenever you go in a particular screener, you get sector. So अपनी choice के हिसाब से stocks you can classify out. Okay, so that would be taught to you within the next 3 days, and till that you can just definitely chop out any stocks from the particular your choice list. Okay, hence the portfolio should contain at least 10 diversified stock. Now what is exactly meant by diversification? Okay, see, every person, actually, I believe every person should have a plan B or a backup plan in his or her life, right? एक प्लान पे कभी सक्सेसफुल होता नहीं. Definitely plan A is the primary plan, but what if that plan A fails? So definitely a person is very conscious कि यार मैं engineer नहीं बन पाया, मैं financial analyst नहीं बन पाया, then what should be my plan B? Example, I know many of you would be knowing MBA Chaiwala, right? He had a keen interest in making up the tea, and people were just mocking him. People were just teasing him. He was into MBA, dropped out of MBA, and now MBA के नाम से जो MBA एक reputed course होता था, at today's generation, MBA Chaiwala is a reputed brand franchisee of tea. There was a time when people were mocking it, people were downgrading it. Now there is a time that this person who is just a tea seller is going to topmost IIMs, Ahmedabad, and different IIMs, and giving out that how he shared, how he did his journey. तो आप सोच सकते हो जिसने खुद MBA कंप्लीट नहीं किया वो MBA कॉलेजेस में जाके अपनी जर्नी शेयर करते हैं. सो दैट इज द रीजन दैट how diversification helps you inside your life, because if you don't have any plan, a backup plan, maybe life would not be fair with you, or you would fail in your life, right? Because you get hit only once. So diversification is important. What is meant by diversification? Segregating out in banking, in finance, in automobile, in IT, etc. Remember this thing, diversification is also being considered by us who would be evaluating your assignment. तो हम सिर्फ यही नहीं देखेंगे कि यार कोई भी दो उठा खेला है दूसरे का छाप खेला है, ठीक है. आई वी वुड बी सेइंग कि why you choose this particular company, or maybe in final evaluation there would be question from the team of a panel of judges that what is the reason that you shortlisted out this particular segment. Okay, so you should be answerable. And definitely if every instant when you click on that buy button, maybe virtually, remember that you're investing that amount of cash. Okay, that is the reason you can just see the last note we had mentioned that your price shouldn't be exceeding that 50,000, because it's like virtual नाम के लिए तो यार पता चला 10-20 लाख रखा दिया ऐसे नहीं, ठीक है. 50,000, because being a student, if you are investing your own money, then I believe you can invest maximum in this range. Okay, that is the reason, because herein we are not here to just do this internship or time pass. We are here to make you know that when you're into a financial analyst firm or in a banking firm, when client will come to you maybe with his or her cash, which is not yours cash, but you should feel that this is my cash, or else if you would make a loss or anything, maybe you need to face some consequences from the client side, from the company side. That is the reason you should be utmost precise with whatever recommendation and analysis you do. That's the reason you're highly paid. That's the reason you're highly reputed, because you are a risk taker. So definitely remember these things. Okay. I mentioned about the diversification, and that's very important, not only in your portfolio but in your life. You should definitely have some diversified plans that would make your life very peaceful and happy, right? Fifth point is the stock data every day. You need to update the stock data. That is the simple data. Kab buy ke, what's the date on which you buy, and the price. See, I would tell you this particular thing in upcoming time. Okay? Attach the screenshot of your watch list here in the sheet itself. Okay, so when you do provide a demat account, you will be getting an option to create watch list 1, watch list 2, watch list 3. Okay, watch list will enable you to diversify and segregate stock on the basis of your choice. Like मेरी watch list है कि एक chemical sector का stock है, some is of IT sector, third one is of finance sector. So watch list helps you to segregate and bifurcate it out, right? So remember this thing. Okay, video. Okay, so your diversification का I told last mention all 10 stocks in the table. So 10 stocks we had been giving limit. You can further add on if you wanted. Excel map in this. Choose quantity and price at which you want to buy and specify that reason in the second sheet. That I would explain what is the second sheet. Okay, so this is all the stuffs which you can see here. Total amount already formula is inserted. So 50,000 के ऊपर आपका portfolio जाता है, it won't take up the value. So try to get the value below 50,000. Okay? You must buy stock in 10 companies at least. That's the minimum thing. And yeah, definitely submit it. And you can just read on this instruction, basic instruction. उसमें भी कुछ doubt आता है, here just a text away, okay, on the Finophilia application itself. So this is one more thing which you need to fill out. That is this stock data, virtual trading unit, and company stock symbol, sector. Oil and gas is a sector, finance is a sector, banking is a sector, okay, construction is a sector, automobile is a sector. That comes into the sector. What's the reason? Any random reason, you can see that I believe that IT would be a booming sector, or else if you're taking any chemical company, then this particular chemical compound is into necessity, or oxygen cylinders and all are manufactured of it using FMCG. The FMCG can help you to know that this food stuff is trending, or if you're choosing a Britannia company, then Britannia biscuits and all are into good sense. So for that, you would be also taught. I would try to arrange a session in which you would be getting to know how to read out the balance sheets. Majority of you would be knowing it, but in advanced level, like how it is being basically read inside the huge big firms. Okay, so I would try to get a person from there who would help you to analyze the company fundamentally. Okay, and here are the week charts. So I hope every one of you know that market has a holiday on Saturday, Sunday. So Monday to Friday, you can just put on the data. And I would insist you are definitely mandatory to take up data when the market opens and market close. So ये column I guess मैंने बनाया है या नहीं? Okay, okay. I would say if possible I would make up a column, or if nahi then time won't matter, but the market sentiment, that why you choose that particular stock, that would matter. Okay, if possible I would just add on that particular timing wala column, or else there's no need of timing as such, because सबके अलग-अलग timing होते हैं. Maybe Anjali is stuck into a college session, she don't have time to open the application at 10 o'clock, but she is free at lunch, so she would do at 12 o'clock. Amrit would do at 9:15, etc., etc. Okay, and these are the things. I hope this is a basic assignment. I did not need to add much points here. And I would have a question for all of you. Can anyone let me know the precise timing in which the trading inside stock market starts at which time in morning and ends when at which time? Can anyone tell me that precise timing?
9:15 to 3:30.
Yeah, who's this Amrit? Absolutely right. 9:15 to 3:30. Actually, 9 o'clock the market starts to fluctuate, but that is nothing but the setting of settlement of the previous day's beats and all, and catching up of the buyers and sellers. But 9:15 is a time wherein you can dive into the market to invest up with the things and stocks. Okay. And 3:30 market definitely closes out. You cannot trade after that. So this is all about Indian exchanges. US exchanges or forex trading markets are like 24/7 on or on different times. Okay, so we would also try to give you a glimpse in the upcoming times like how abroad market works. So Indian market is like you have a good time. Even if you're in college, be with me, instead of scrolling into Instagram and WhatsApp, you can just scroll up with your demat list, which will help you to get some good insights that what to choose, what not to choose. So I believe this is only what I wanted to say from my part, and I'm now open up for the questions from your side. So you're free to ask me the questions. So yeah, I want everyone to ask at least one question. हमारे पास time तो अच्छा खासा है. So I would be happy if I would get a question from every one of you. What is the procedure to ask question? Raise your hand and then ask. Okay. So yeah, all yours and there on you. Come on. No questions. Manish Pandit has raised hand. Yes, Manish, speak out.
Sir, when this assignment will start?
Yeah, as mentioned, the dates here, you can check this out. Assignment needs to be started on the date, yeah, 13th of December, that is from tomorrow till 31st December, including holidays and all, just tally in that thing, the market offs and all things, including that. Excluding that holidays, you can just take out all the market hour days. Okay. I hope this answers, Manish. Any more question you can ask?
Yes, sir. Sir, is we have to note every day two stocks in that?
Yeah, that would be better. Every day, at least two stocks. If you don't have DMAT, you can definitely directly type up any particular account. So you can just search out for any, or you can just simply, if you want to go for ticker tape. Herein also you can find out this stocks. Okay, stock analysis. This I will teach in detail, but फिलहाल DMAT नहीं है तो you can just go and search out for the stocks. You can go in the screeners and you can try to shortlist on stocks. स्टार्ट स्क्रीनिंग कैन सर्च एनीथिंग तो यहाँ पर आप देखो ऑलरेडी निफ्टी 50 के जो टॉप स्टॉक्स है इट वुड बी हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू सो दिस एवरीथिंग गिव्स यू ठीक है बना बनाया मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन क्लोजिंग प्राइस एंड ऑल सब देते हैं तो यू शुड बी विद द फ्लो ओके या श्रुति वेलकम टू योर डाउट प्लीज आस्क या श्रुति प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट you're not audible Shruti can you just take up with your microphone if you're speaking
हेलो सर
yeah you're audible right now come on ask you know yeah.
सर एग्जैक्टली करना कैसे जैसे डीमैट अकाउंट भी नहीं है एंड मतलब
I will tell you, Demat account, as I told, it would be done by today or maximum tomorrow. Tab tak, just go on Google, type ticker tape. So I would tell you once again, go on Google. Google में जाने के बाद ticker tape type करो. Ticker tape, go in this stock analysis and base financial tools. इस पे जाओ.
सर
Go to the
आपके
bottom.
आपके सॉरी सर
आपकी वॉइस क्लियर
नहीं आपकी स्क्रीन भी विजिबल नहीं है तो एक्सेल का स्क्रीन विजिबल है
Oh,
आप
sorry. I
शायद
would.
गूगल
Yeah. Just a minute. Sorry. Is the voice clear?
हाँ
वॉइस इज
बोलो
So, the voice clear. Fine. It's something visible.
हाँ सर
यस सर
Go in Google, type out ticker tape, TICKER TAP, ticker tape. Go on the first site itself, stock analysis, best tools. You can just go. Go in bottom, go in bottom, go in bottom. No need to log in and all stuff. Go in start screening. Clear? Go in start screening. Here you can see the stocks. This is nothing but the top 50 stocks in Nifty 50. I will come to know that what they are. So यहाँ से you can start screening out. Okay?
सर
Like
सर योर वॉइस इज क्रैकिंग कैन यू रिपीट दिस पार्ट
sure. Am I audible clearly now?
Yeah, you are audible, but voice is cracking. So this part, can you repeat?
Okay. Have everyone got to know how to go on ticker tape?
यस सर
Okay. So I would show it once again. Going to ticker tape, this particular web page will open. From this web page, go on start screening. When you will go on start screening, every stock would be listed on the ascending order of market capitalization. Market capitalization, it means what is the cost of that particular company in the Indian market. You can see Reliance Industries, its market capitalization is this 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 17 lakhs 40,765, and this would be in crores. Okay, so this is the market cap. So herein you will get the sector. देखो काम आपका और आसान होगा. You will get sector. Which sector? Reliance is in oil and gas. Tata Consultancy is IT. HDFC in private. Infosys in IT. You would also get its closing price, opening price. Okay, तो यहाँ से तब तक कर सकते हो जब तक you won't get DMAT. But within 2 days, you will be getting up a demat. And I want, when you will get demat, go and do with demat account, because you would be having demat account in your corporate. Okay, you won't get time to go through the screener. So you should be acquainted with the interface of the demat account. Okay, so that is the thing. Is it clear that how you can pick out the stocks?
यस सर. सर हमें मतलब स्टॉक मतलब पिकअप करना है एज पर आवर चॉइस एंड वहां पे एक्सेल शीट में एंटर करना है ना वो.
Exactly, yeah. Copy paste it or type it, okay? And the reason why you choose that stock, you need to type that thing, okay?
हाँ.
Yeah, I hope it's clear. Any more questions? स्क्रीनर पे भी सेशन होगा शायद से मैं ले लूँ शेखर सर या XYZ faculty would take surprise faculty. Ask any questions, or else if you will ask on chat, I would tell you that why weren't you active in the session. Okay,
Sir,
I would give. Yeah, who's this?
sir, Manish.
हाँ Manish, tell me.
Sir, is we have to choose stocks from these top 50 companies pool?
No, you are free to choose any जो company bankrupt हुई है उसको भी तुम choose कर सकते हो. You are free to choose any. Okay.
Or sir, we have to give the reasons from our whatever we research about that company and all.
Yeah. What all to research, where to research, this would be also covered in upcoming sessions. So don't worry, okay? But you can just do R&D from your side too. No one, like, you can just, even if you'll just go to the screener, na, we'll get n number of things to research on. And DMAT account would provide you fundamental data. Again, I'm repeating, fundamental data of every company's particular existence, its capitalization, its share in market, the investment they did by done by the foreign investors, institutional investors. Everything would be provided. Reports would be provided. Every step would be provided. Okay, and DMAT का मैं आज रात तक कर दूंगा. Just be active in the group. After this session, I will drop some links for you to get a free DMAT. Okay, it's free. Don't worry about the charges. Any more questions? Someone raised hand, I
Yes,
guess.
sir. Sir, one more question, sir.
Yeah, Rishabh, I would just answer. Just hold on. Rishabh, sir, do we have to trade in our Demat account? Rishabh, it's your choice. We are not asking you to trade with your own money, but if further, whatever previous our ex students have been doing, like they had been getting good exposure, and later everyone feels that I am earning some of the other things from secondary, from freelancing or saving from my pocket. So they are investing into stocks and all in real time basis. So it's your choice. Okay, there is no like grading on how what portfolio you build, because the portfolio which you would build, that is for your benefits or your future and your profits. Okay, so you're free to do that thing. Yeah, anyone can continue. Someone was asking some question.
Sir, me, can I ask?
Yeah, Amrit, definitely.
Sir, me, Manish.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Manish, please go on.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a lot of researcher who post about the industries or about the stocks which are going to perform better and why. So, can we state the reasons there that that's why the reasons that this company is going to perform better in the future or something, and their stock can be added?
Yeah, this is a good question. So I would tell you, when you would definitely get n number of groups in Telegram with good advices, with fake advices, with so many stuff. तो जो होता है ना, सुनो सबकी करो दिल की, देखिए. So you need to listen and keep your eyes open from everything. But whatever decision, not only in this real-time market, but in your real life, you need to do it by your heart. Because because if you're failing, you won't have any regret or guilt. But if you're trusting on anyone's decision and that is affecting your life, you will be guilty for your rest of your life. So I would tell you, just go everywhere, search, and मतलब competitive world में you need to be active everywhere. Okay, कान खुले रखो, आँख खुले रखो, कैसा चल रहा है कंपटीशन में, कहाँ खड़े हुए समझ होना चाहिए. But when it comes to do that thing, just listen to what your brain and heart tells to you. Okay, don't trust on any advices and all. And yeah, as per your question, definitely seek data from external sources. Try to recreate that data in your own words and mention in a very sophisticated and easy language that why this particular company stock is going up or down, or why I'm betting on this. Like if I'm getting up a news that Elon Musk is planning to establish an EV manufacturing setup in Punjab or in Ludhiana, anywhere. So what I can just say, I can just feel that yeah, establishment of automobiles that can boom to the EV sector, that can boom to the automobile sector. So that is my reason that there would be a huge investment and planned investment, okay? Because many of the investors just back out, okay? So you need to be confirmed with your news. And yeah, this is my XYZ reason for establishing a unit, and this is my XYZ reason to buy this stock for a long term basis. Also, I would be very happy if you're mentioning that if you're buying that stock, then for how much time you are holding that thing. Okay. I am a very impatient person. I just want to return in next 1 week. I would just sell it in 1 week. I don't know whether it would collapse or whether it would rise. I am a good patient investor. I would keep it for 2 to 3 months. I am a highly patient investor. I can just keep it for years and years, and I don't need money. I would need for my higher studies. Then I would cash it out. That things also, if you mention that, what is your logic? Because not every stock would give you returns in just 2 or 3 days. Okay, some stocks would give you extreme returns in upcoming months. For example, I had been buying Bajaj Finserv in COVID time, which was costing around 1,500, and within 8 months of time, that stock has hit a all-time high at 18,000 rupees. A stock of 1,500 in 8 months have been at hitting up almost 18,000. Can you just imagine the returns, the high profits which I got? So try to mention that thing. आगे चल के you would feel satisfied that your recommendations are right or wrong. Okay, in this sentence you'll get to know कि हाँ यार सही predict कर लिया. You'll get a good confidence. And even if no, within the course of time you will be learning so many things, so you would get good grips over that. Hope that answers Manish your question.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. Can we choose stocks so that like we have generally fear that when we choose a stock and it will fall down the marks and the thing the internship it affect our results so that
No. See, stock market is in no one's hand. Okay, even Warren Buffett, who is trading since last 85 to 90 years, has been losing wealth in Paytm. So that's in no one's hand. Stock market simply क्या होता है? आपने बहुत sophisticated book definition पढ़ा हुआ. Stock market is nothing but the reflection of reflection of emotions of people. Okay, so emotions, because person has इमोशन बिहाइंड बाइंग और सेलिंग ऑफ एनी स्टॉक्स. अरे स्टॉक बढ़ रहा है तो बढ़ने दो, बढ़ते 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 फिर हाँ एक हाई जाएगा, उससे फिर गिरेगा. देन व्हाट अ पर्सन विल थिंक, अभी गिर रहा है, अभी रुकते हैं, थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, गिरेगा गिरेगा, गिर गिर के पूरा गिर जाता है. इट्स नथिंग बट द इमोशनल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ अ पर्सन's tendency. Okay, so don't worry, that is not a criteria wherein that would affect your results. जो आप पूछ रहे हो ये evaluation, no. Your evaluation would be solely based on what is your sentiments to buy or target that particular industry, and how how accurate it would be in upcoming times. What is your reason? Someone would be betting on a pharmaceutical, someone would be betting on automobile, someone would be having that thing in mind कि COVID जैसा कुछ और आ गया तो मैं safety के लिए कहाँ पर देख सकता हूँ. Someone would be like, आई एम अ डाइवर्सिफाइड पर्सन, सो मुझे फार्मा भी चाहिए, ऑटोमोबाइल भी चाहिए. ऑटोमोबाइल बंद पड़ा तो फार्मा तो चलेगा, फार्मा चला गया तो फाइनेंस तो चलेगा. दैट थिंग वी वुड बी कंसीडरिंग. होप इट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन, राइट?
yes sir okay sir thank you sir
नदीर, वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल. सबको तो आ रही है. Any more questions? We just have last 3 minutes to go on. Recording would be
So may I
forwarded.
ask it out?
Yes, Amrit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, carry on, Amrit.
So sir, will this be a continuous assessment throughout the internship period?
Yeah, this is internship is of a month, so every day you can pick up 2 stocks. Okay, don't repeat up the stocks.
Yeah.
मजा नहीं आएगा. It's not a
Okay. Yeah, and also I am not well versed in technical analysis and
no need.
return.
That's the reason Shekhar sir is sitting. Don't worry, पूरा हो जाएगा. हाँ ठीक है, बिल्कुल. ये तो इसीलिए, and that is the reason मैंने ये assignment पहले रखा कि आपको समझ है कि पहले कितने newbie थे, freshers थे,
Sir,
and then
I do not understand Hindi, sir.
I was telling that that's the reason I kept this session, kept this assignment very first, because you would understand how newbie you were in initial stages and how professional you turned in upcoming sessions after learning.
Oh,
That's the reason.
right,
Don't worry.
right.
I want
Yeah.
you to see
Yep.
the transition in yourself. Yes, I had to taking any rash decision in life, and now I'm taking such good decisions. Okay, this would be not only the market won't be just enhancing your technical skills. You would be very well versed with your life, with your soft skills. Okay, you would enjoy it. Confident enough. So I guess we have left with 2 minutes, and any of the girls haven't asked any questions. So I would request a question from Shruti, Anjali, Purnima. Why are you silent?
No, sir.
I hope you had got everything, and definitely if you'd have, yeah, battery is. Okay, so I guess we can wrap up the session. Battery is draining off, and I would post up the recording. Further doubts, if you would have it, we would just put up in the Finophilia chat. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Sure. So have a good eve and enjoy your night and college and everything. We would meet in upcoming sessions and we'll update, keep posted in the Kinopil application. Bye bye.
Thank
Sir.
you.